A group of Mexican migrant workers have been awarded a total of more than $23,000 in lost compensation from a fishery company based in southwest Nova Scotia. This comes after the Nova Scotia Labour Board ordered Ocean Pride Fisheries to pay 8 former workers in lieu of notice and to cover deductions from their wages for immigration fees and other costs. The group claimed that Ocean Pride terminated them without notice, but Ocean Pride said that the workers quit. In a statement, company president Jules LeBlanc said the employees named in the decision, quote, had never told Ocean Pride Fisheries Limited that they had issues or concerns with regard to their employment. He also said Ocean Pride treats its employees with the utmost respect. Well, Stacey Gomez is the executive director of the Centre for Migrants Workers' Rights in Nova Scotia. So first off, your reaction to this decision?
This is an incredible win for migrant workers in Nova Scotia and beyond, and it's a long time coming.
Do you think this will have further ramifications?
I hope that it does. I hope that it sends a message to employers in Nova Scotia and throughout Canada that migrant workers have the same rights as Canadians, and they should be respected.
Well, can you talk to me a bit about what are some of the stories that migrant workers are telling you about their working conditions?
I can. So from June to February of this year, we have received over 60 reports of abuse from migrant workers throughout work sites in Nova Scotia. So we know that there is physical abuse happening, psychological, and financial abuse, for example.
Well, talk to me about some of the changes that you think should be made.
It's important to prevent abuse from happening in the first place, and this can be done by having greater oversight of employers, and that starts with having targeted and unannounced inspections of work sites that employ migrant workers, but also ensuring that every migrant worker that comes to Canada has an open work permit. Currently, migrant workers have typically they have closed work permits, which tie them to one single employer. And when there's a situation of abuse, they cannot easily leave. Importantly, migrant workers should also have permanent resident status on arrival. That would give them the same access to rights, benefits, and essential services as Canadians.
And can you talk to me about the reaction that this group of workers has had to the decision?
Yes. The workers are still processing the decision. One of the workers shared that she feels heard by the Labour Board, that their concerns have truly been taken into consideration, and that the issue was investigated in depth.
All right. Well, Stacey, thank you for your time today. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.